Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps on how to turn on direct messages on Discord. If you've been wondering why people can't message you directly, or you want to make sure your settings are up to date, this quick guide will help you set everything up in just a couple of minutes. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up your personal settings menu, where you can customize everything about how you use Discord. Next, within that settings menu, look for the little gear icon. That's the settings icon, and it's where all the main options live. Tap on it, and you'll be brought into the full settings area. This is where you can control things like your privacy, notifications, and most importantly for us today, your direct message settings. From here, scroll until you find the section labeled Content and Social. Once you tap on that, you'll see an option that says Allow direct messages from server members. By default, this might be turned off, especially if you've adjusted your privacy in the past or recently joined a new server. To start receiving messages, just toggle that switch on. And that's it. Now members of the servers you've joined will be able to send you direct messages. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to this same setting and turn it off again. One thing to keep in mind is that this setting applies server-wide. If you'd rather only allow messages from friends or specific servers, you can fine-tune those choices later on. But for now, turning on this option is the easiest way to make sure you're open to receiving messages from other members. So there you have it. Just a few taps, and you're all set to start chatting directly with others on Discord. If you follow these steps, you'll have your messages up and running in no time.